If you're looking for the bridge between big tech and crypto, you just found it. We're talking about Astar Network and its massive 2026 pivot. The content provided by the Wealth Reset 2050 is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please conduct your own research or consult a professional before making any investment decisions. The Sony partnership with Astar. Astar isn't just a coin, it's the backbone for Sonium, the new Ethereum Layer 2 launched by Sony Group. Think about it. PlayStation, music, and electronics all moving on-chain. Sony is even creating a unified ID for all their products by 2026, powered by this tech, the tech, Zkevm Layer 2. How? Through Astar Zkevm. It uses zero-knowledge proofs to make transactions lightning-fast and ultra-private, all while being secured by Ethereum. It's the superchain vision come to life, allowing Sony's millions of users to enter Web3 without even knowing they're using a blockchain. Tokenomics 3.0. And for the holders? Tokenomics 3.0 just went live. We're talking about a fixed supply cap of 10.5 billion tokens and a burn drop mechanism that rewards long-term conviction. Astar is officially moving from experiment to institutional grade. Japan is leading the Web3 charge, and Astar is the engine. Are you betting on Sony's ecosystem this year? Let me know in the comments. Japan is leading the Web3 charge, and Astar is the engine. If you're betting on the Sony ecosystem this year, you're betting on the future of mass adoption. But I want to know, are you holding a star for the tech or just for the Sony gains? Drop a comment in the comment section if you're bullish. Don't forget to like and follow for the next step in our 2026 Wealth Reset series. See you in the next one.